Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the color of the uniform or the camouflage. So you go to content drawer, you should have an outfits folder in your content folder. So you open that and you find the uniform folder. It's right here, and then you open a second one with the same name. It's important to import materials into the materials folder. So you got the main material, which is the default camouflage, and then you got the material instances with extra camouflage patterns and solid colors. You also got the textures folder for the textures, because textures are linked to material instances. To change the color, the texture of the uniform, from this to something else, you need to go to the meshes folder, which has 8 meshes for 2 different fits, female and male. So C is for female fit and D is for the male fit of the uniform. You need to open up all 4 meshes because they're LODs and they can all use different materials, and you can see the materials in the material slots of the details panel. So you got the top jacket, you got pants, and you got boots. There are a few ways to change the material, but one of the easiest is to open up the details and find the material. Jacket, and I got a few different jackets, but this is the one I'm looking for. Let's say I want where is it? Woodland, last one. So see, it changed to woodland, and I want woodland again, and I changed it to woodland on the pants. Let's say I keep the boots the same color. So I'm gonna save it, and I should do the same for the other meshes. Another way is to go to the materials folder and find the jacket, click on the jacket, and then you click this arrow and it changes the material. Now you find the pants, click the arrow and it changes to the material. So you save it, you go to LOD1, you find the texture that you want, which is going to be jacket, and then I'm going to type in woodland again and change the pants, and LOD0. So again, type in woodland, find woodland, and same for the pants. So there you go, and you save it. So that was the first step of applying the materials. The meshes, as you can see in the preview thumbnails, they got the new material instance. Now we need to update cloth asset file, and since the male fit is _D, I'm going to open this one up, and it updates as soon as you open it. So I'm just going to save it, and step number 2 is done. Now for the last step, I need to go to the root folder of the uniform and pick OA, Tactical Combat Uniform OA, because it's an outfit asset. We don't worry about the WI, which is a wardrobe item. So double click the outfit asset, and it's all connected up in here. You just need to click on evaluate data flow graph, but yours might be on automatic evaluation. but mine is set to manual because I want to be able to control it myself. So I'll click this button and wait. So that's done. Now you need to click the save button. And you can see that the outfit did update here. It's got a new pattern. I can now close this window, and if I'm in my MetaHuman render view, I click on refresh preview. And there you go. It changed the color of the uniform. Now you can assemble your MetaHuman and it's gonna have this texture. Now, if you have already created your MetaHuman and you have a blueprint, then the process is a little bit different, but easier and faster. Go find your MetaHuman, for example, this one here. I'm gonna open it. Go to the viewport. And as you can see, my LOD0 texture is different from my other LOD meshes. So if I back out, it changes. To change it here in the blueprint, you just click on the body, and in the materials tab, you'll see a bunch of material elements. Basically, that's your materials applied to your meshes, however many you have them. So as you can see, it's duplicates of pants, jacket, boots, boots, jacket, pants, pants, boots, and jacket. So it's all LODs. If you want to change it here, you can look for the material in the uniform folder here, or you can change it from the drop-down menu. So I'll click UCP, it changed the pants material for LOD0. Find the jacket, change it to UCP, it changed it on the jacket. And this is for the boots. Let's pick something else. Just black, for example. And you basically need to do the same for the other LODs, so you don't have this problem where if the camera backs out enough, it changes your materials, which is not good. So this is the process for changing camouflage pattern on the uniform. Thank you.